Hello, this is Engin Kurtuluş from Academix Services. I'm the director of the Academix. Today we had more than 30 meetings with our schools from all around the world. Our counselors had a chance to one-to-one meeting with all the schools representatives. It was very wonderful and very productive meetings. And thank you very much for attending our workshop.
My name is İlknur Öner and I'm the Regional Manager for Turkey at King's Education. We are very grateful for Academix for inviting us for this amazing organization.
It's my first time being here and I really like the atmosphere of this place.
Hi, I just want to say a big thank you to Academix for inviting me to this terrific event.
The event has been very busy, very successful already. I've been able to speak to many different counsellors that I'm not able to speak to normally.
This year will be my 10th year with Kaplan, and it's such an incredible pleasure to work with such good partners. They're always professional, they give the best advice to students, and it's just simply always a great partner to have for us.
We are working with Academix for many years and we hope to see them in our partnership list in 2022. We are happy to work with them and we wish them the best.
It was a great pleasure to be part of Academix workshop. It was an amazing experience to meet all counselors from all over Turkey. Definitely coming back next year again.
Hello, my name is Engin Coşar. I'm the Managing Director of Academic Study Abroad Services. Today we have completed the first day of Academics Agent Training and Workshop 2020. There were 32 schools from all around the world and they met with all of our counselors from our 14 offices in Turkey. Next year's event will be completely different than this one. So we have a surprise for you. We hope to see you again next year. We are looking forward to see you.